Okay, so let's look at question number 4. So question number 4 is saying figure 4.0 shows the longitudinal section of a stem. Figure 4.0 shows the longitudinal section of a stem. Question A, Roman numeral 1 is saying which letters in figure 4.0 corresponds to the cambium, xylem, and phloem. Which letters in figure 4.0 corresponds to the cambium, xylem, and phloem? So they want us to identify the letter representing the cambium, the letter representing the xylem, and the phloem. So cambium, letter T, xylem, letter S, phloem, letter U. So cambium, letter T, xylem, letter S, and phloem, letter U. Question B. Question A, Roman numeral 2. Question A, Roman numeral 2, explain the functions of S and T in the plant. So S, remember S is the xylem. So what is the function of the xylem? The xylem conducts water and mineral salts from the roots to all parts of to the upper parts of a plant. The xylem, so S, which is the xylem, transports or conducts water and mineral salts from the roots in the soil to the upper parts of a plant. It also provides mechanical support to a plant. It also provides mechanical support to a plant. That's the xylem. So the xylem has two major functions. Number one, it conducts water and mineral salts from the roots in the soil to the upper parts of a plant. That's a function of S, which is xylem. Then T, which is the cambium. So the cambium, function of T, which is the cambium, it carries out cell division to produce new cells, which includes the xylem and the phloem. T is a cambium. The function of the cambium, it is to carry out cell division to produce new cells such as xylem and phloem. So the cambium, it is the one which promotes secondary growth in dicotyledonous plants. Or you can say T, it carries out cell division to produce new cells, including xylem and phloem. That's the function of the cambium. Take note. Cambium carries out cell division to produce new cells, including xylem and phloem. Okay, that is question B, Roman numeral. Which one is which? So here, what are we answering here? What are we answering? Okay. Then let's look at B, Roman numeral 1. B, Roman numeral 1 is saying which letter corresponds to the structure which needs companion cells to function properly. So which letter corresponds to the structure which needs companion cells to function properly? So the feature is the phloem. So in this case, don't say phloem, but you just mention the letter representing the phloem. So the answer is letter U. Letter U, which is the phloem. So the phloem is the one which corresponds to a structure which needs companion cells for it to function properly. Okay, so the answer is letter U. Question B, Roman numeral 1, the answer is letter U. Question B, Roman numeral 2, which is the last one, is saying which letter in figure 4.0 corresponds to a structure in which substances can move either upwards or downwards. Which letter in figure 4.0 corresponds to a structure in which substances can move either upwards or downwards? So the answer is letter U, which is the phloem. The answer is letter U, which is the phloem. We know the function of the phloem, it is to transport manufactured food from the leaf to all parts of a plant. So when we say all parts of a plant includes the upper part and the lower part. So the upper part meaning the manufactured food are going to move upwards. Okay, if we say downwards, meaning the manufactured food are going to move downwards to the roots and other downwards parts. So now, which letter in figure 4.0 corresponds to a structure in which substances? So these substances they're talking about manufactured food can move either upwards or downwards. So the answer is the phloem. Now don't say phloem, just mention the letter. If you write phloem, you won't be marked. Just write the letter U. Okay, so we're done. Let's move on to